We are a manufacturer of 3D metal printing machines and software systems. And the reason why we started our company is we wanted to make suitable systems for the dental and medical field, affordable and reliable. The main aspect of buying our product is because we are providing the whole solution to your customers. We are providing the hardware, the software and the workflow. And we are very flexible with parameters and powders.
Very much appreciate the support from 2onelab, from Ran and Marcel and Marcus. There's nothing they haven't been able to help us with in the technology of 3D metal melting for the dental industry.
Most of our customers are deciding to buy 2onelab because we have very good service. We don't let the customer be alone with his problems.
This year we started exclusive cooperation with 2onelab in the dental European market. We are very happy about the cooperation and we hope that we can do a lot of successful things in the future.
Our customers like our service because we are very hands-on. Customers don't need to write any ticketing system. They are calling us and we are helping them immediately. Most of the services are because our customers are inexperienced and we are hands-on helping them about their workflow.
This is one of our printer, the 2Create. So it's a 3D metal printer with a building size of 100 mm in a high of 100 mm. The system is perfectly for printing reactive and non-reactive material like cobalt chrome or titanium, but also stainless steel and other materials. The advantage and unique feature on the system is that we have circulating coater concept. That means we have here powder in a powder reservoir. The circulating coater takes the powder, apply a thin layer of material on the building platform. The rest goes to an overflow and everything is collected under the machine, can be removed to the sieving system, cleaned and reused again. Everything on the machine is controlled over a simple HMI on 3 tabs. On the main tab you prepare the printer, prepare all the access. On the load tab you load the G-code inside of the machine and on the run tab you just run your process. This is another product. This is the new 2Create Plus. It's also 3D metal printer, but with a building envelope of 150 to 150 and a high of 100. The system has here a linear coater, which moves the powder from the powder reservoir to the building platform. The system is equipped with a strong 400 watt laser. So the system can work with reactive as non-reactive materials, means we can print titanium, cobalt chrome and also stainless steel with this printer.
Our customers like the flexibility of using our system, the reliability and cost effectiveness of our system.